So today we will make a seal. What is a seal? Seal is a board which was used in IBC people. They used to record their writings, pictures or etc. First we'll put some powder so it can't stick. So now we'll take this thing. This is found in every house. Make it flat as you can. You can also mix colors and take any other color which is dark. So now you can take any sharp thing or scissor. So now you can choose any shape for your seal. Like I am taking blue Play-Doh. As the seal you can flat it and then you can cut it. It's ready. Now you can pick it using any knife. And now you can use a jet shape. After making it flat, take the shape and this one pointed side you can put it like this. Now take out the excess Play-Doh. And now here it is. So now this is ready. See you next time. Bye.